Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your social security with AARP detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your social security, start by understanding the benefits available to you. Visit the AARP website for comprehensive resources on social security. Create an account on their platform to access personalized information. Review the eligibility requirements for social security benefits. Gather necessary documents such as your social security card, birth certificate, and work history. Consider your full retirement age to maximize benefits. Stay informed about the potential impacts of early retirement on your benefits. Explore options for spousal and survivor benefits if applicable. Familiarize yourself with social security scams and how to identify them. Use the AARP tools to estimate your benefits based on your earnings record. Check your Social Security statement at least once a year. Report any discrepancies in your earnings record immediately. Explore AARP's advocacy efforts related to Social Security. Stay connected with changes in legislation that could affect your benefits. Attend webinars or local events offered by AARP to gain more insights. Consult with a financial advisor if you have complex situations. Keep your personal information secure to prevent identity theft. Regularly update your account details if there are changes in your life circumstances. If you suspect that your social security number has been compromised, report it immediately. For further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to AARP customer service. By taking these proactive steps, you can effectively protect your social security benefits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.